Welcome to this tutorial on creating bulk YouTube shorts using Canva. Today, you'll be taken through a step-by-step guide designed to make the process of creating engaging shorts for your YouTube channel a breeze. The tools of the trade: ChatGPT for generating scripts, Google Sheets for organization, and Canva for the design work. Ready? Dive in. Step 1 involves generating a script with the help of ChatGPT. Just hop onto the ChatGPT interface and key in the topic or keywords for your YouTube shorts. In no time, ChatGPT will have a script ready for you. Make sure to copy this and keep it safe for later. Next up is step 2, which is all about organizing your script using Google Sheets. Open up Google Sheets, create a new spreadsheet, and label your columns for different script sections, such as title, introduction, steps, conclusion, and so on. Then, paste the script generated by ChatGPT into the appropriate sections. Step 3 requires you to put on your creative hat and plan your visuals. Look over your script in Google Sheets and think about what visuals you'll need for each section. Background images, icons, text overlays, and any other visual elements that will make your shorts pop. Step 4 is where Canva comes into play. Log into your Canva account or sign up for free if you haven't already. Click on Create a Design and select the appropriate dimensions for YouTube Shorts, which is 1080 by 1920 pixels. In step 5, you'll start designing your template. Choose a suitable background for your shorts or upload your own. Add text boxes for the script sections from your Google Sheets and insert any other visual elements you had planned in step 3. Step 6 is all about efficiency. Once you've created your template, duplicate it for each section of your script in Google Sheets. For step 7, customize each of the duplicated designs. Edit the text boxes to match the corresponding section of your script. Feel free to change visuals and adjust layouts as needed to keep your viewers engaged. Step 8 is the home stretch. Once all designs are customized, download them as images or videos, ensuring that the format is suitable for YouTube Shorts. Next, in step 9, head over to your YouTube account and navigate to the Shorts section. Upload your shorts one by one, adding titles, descriptions, and relevant tags. Finally, in step 10, publish your shorts and share them on your social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And there you have it. You've successfully created bulk YouTube shorts using Canva, ChatGPT, and Google Sheets. Keep experimenting with different topics and visuals to further engage your audience. Happy creating!